Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to create this super cool scrolling effect in Figma. Let's create frame. Add column grid. Grids have so many uses, from helping to align and balance your designs. Change background color. Add text using text tool or press T. Duplicate this text layer using Ctrl D. Duplicate this text layer using Ctrl D. Duplicate this text layer using Ctrl D. Turn on Layout Grid option to organize all elements. Create menu button using Line tool. Add logo to the web page. Create rectangle for images. Let's add some images. Create component set of all images and switch to prototype to create slideshow of this images. And follow interaction details. Click on this plus icon. Hold Alt or key and drag this generated image to the web page. Switch back to design. Let's add some blurry circle to the background to create more interest. Here is our landing page. Add circle to the web page. Change its color to the black. Scale this circle like this. Add text using text tool or press T. Duplicate this text layer using Ctrl D. Duplicate this text layer using Ctrl D. Align these text layers. Move this text layer to the bottom of the page. Move this text layer to the right side. Move this text layer to the left side. Scale this black circle and set opacity to 0%. Duplicate this web page using Ctrl D. Move this text layer to the right side. Move this text layer to the left side. Move this text layer to the left side. Move this text layer to the bottom of the page. Move menu bar to the upside. Move these image components. Move logo layer. Scale this black circle and set its opacity to 100%. Move the text layers to the web page. Switch to prototype. Connect these two frames using plus icon and follow this interaction details. Connect back this frame using plus icon and follow interaction details. Now hit play icon. Here is our final output. Hope you like it.